This is super cool, guys. It actually works. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it.
Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to view anyone's Patreon account for free in 2026. Alright, so as you can see, if I open up Patreon, I have to pay, right? But when I press on the post, you can see it says this post is locked. But then if I press this button, you can see I have the option to unlock for free with dev mode. So I'm going to press on that, press continue, and it's basically going to activate the post. So then it says dev mode activated. So now, as you can see, I can view the whole post for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Patreon mod. So if you guys want to have like access to anyone's Patreon, it's really easy, guys. Just go to your browser and put in hexmods.com. So once you're on this site, you're going to see all these like modded apps and stuff. So just type in Patreon. And as you can see, guys, here it is. So I'm going to press on it. So before this downloads, there's going to be a verification. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store. And then you'll be able to see anyone's Patreon account without paying, guys. So as you can see, guys, it says like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So you can see we got Travel Town. This one's like download and reach level 9. So I just press continue, takes me to the app store. I just gotta play it till I'm level 9. So yeah, I mean, in my opinion, the games are some of the easiest ones because you're just running it. So just make sure you do 2 of these, guys. You're gonna be all set. So that's how to view anyone's Patreon for free. So you can see some of the other apps in here. So just make sure you do 2 of them. You got the video. So that's how to download the Patreon hack for your device. So if you guys want to see anyone's Patreon for free, now you know how. So as you can see, I can view all the posts and everything. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about this stuff. But yeah, it's super crazy. So this fully works, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. But I really get mad when people pay for Patreon because I think it should just be free. So yeah, this is super cool. So that's how to view anyone's Patreon account for free in 2026. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You got the video there. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So get the word out and you too can view anyone's Patreon for free. So yeah, this is super amazing, guys. I've tested every Patreon hack in the book and this one is legit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, try it out. You got the video you can watch right there. So yeah, I've always looked for Patreon hacks. So I think this is the best one. So get the word out. It works in all devices. So you can do this on iPhone or Android. So as you can see, we have all the posts right here. So this is super cool. So get the word out, guys. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. So this is super amazing, guys. And it's legit. So enjoy.